Hello, khublei fi barakat. Welcome back to my channel. This is previous question from Meghalaya House, Kolkata, General Administration Department. Bantai begini kam kampat kun. Tekidon kiba bun maklinga ka hablej ka website Meghalaya House kam dere lebih po MPSC sa page ketuka General Administration Department. Lek kumbat hep kam po MPSC tu masa page ketuka ketuka General Administration Department. Ketuka dia kini jingkli barim po Meghalaya House. Dia kita bala join ha group, bala join ha channel jonga soba text nga kidon ba join claim text nga te ngamla bansen ki PDF. Te ngan for those who have joined my channel, please text me, especially from those I saw that from friends from Garo Hill, so they have joined. But please text me in my WhatsApp that I can send you the PDF. Tama kawai rungan ngaset bu ka link ban join po group. Ini tekitu bala dap join pa ha group na join shu nomor ting ngasna group ala tli nomor bali bakala adap kawai te ngala sna biang te katu ka group asna thamai pinam don kam shu ban join kala biang bai kum tu bet. Te ne join ra kitu bala dap join bala dap don lupa to ka group. Te tang gini ki jing ajing tip nya tong ne pe ni jing kali. Kini find the synonyms mo ki bayad day kintin bayad jan ba kaju ban jan kaju jingmon. Deceitful ne gade fraudulent. Obligatory, they required. Tip ki English mi hab daun kre ba ni jaj ki tu English nomor dari score ba ki English. Kajike haya kajike ru kan yarap ha. Marka English ni bunti ngim ju kre English ni ki English ki keberon kam ban skor ki LD keberon kam ha. Kini exorbitant, kini de excessive, de pious de faithful. Kini antonyms, kini bat baya persya ki kentian baya persya kini eschew, kini embrace, comprehensive, kini limited, tenacious, kini yielding, ruthless, kini merciful. Bat kawai ngasku ang ipi ba kini kijingli ngana ipi kre baik kini kijingli barim na kini kijingli barim kemut babun balang hikiwan kitu ki jingli kembang lay ngasait pet ma te ngan sa upload kidon ki jingli ki barim kumba kindon kumba arajat li ki question ingum tu te ngan sa upload ki bade ba English la kajong te GK la kajong te kam nyarap ha ki LD MPSC le ne ki wiki exams ru. Kani in the following sentence find out which part of sentence has an error. And mark the correct alternative. Kani ba kadon jing bakalah ki sentence min hab ya pek angta. Does the rose in your garden smell more sweetly than rose in ours? Kade kanu ba bakalang tu de kade ka number haptik ketuka number B kade more kamde ban more sweetly kade smell sweeter than in ours. The 60 mile are a good distance. Katu kade number B hi ke error. 60 miles is a good distance, not are a good distance. He could but help shedding tears at a plight of the villagers. Render home less by devastating cyclone. I have got my MSc degree in 1998. Kam de banong I have got de banong I got my MSc degree. I got my MSc degree in 1998. Choose the correct option from the given alternative to fill in the blanks. Dia happened begini mo daki contain badai. The police commissioner condemned the murder and vowed to apprehend the wrongdoers within fortnight. The police commissioner condemned the gruesome murder. Gruesome murder lene gruesome gitu eh. The rotten smell was so revolting that she became unconscious and then there and had to be hospitalized. Yesterday, the villager caught a burglar dash a bottle of oil from the community hall. Yesterday, the villager caught a burglar pilfering. Pilfering means the stealing of thing of little value. India's problem is not the paucity of traffic. India's problem is not paucity of traffic. Rules and regulation, but in general disregard for them. Transform the following without changing the meaning. Penkelai gini meaning mo. Penkelai sentence tambah kajuk kecemot. How beautiful she danced. She danced very beautiful. He was too weak to walk. He was too weak so he cannot walk. Gold is heavier than silver. Silver is not heavier as gold. The active passive voice. The teacher will punish the student. The teacher will be punished by the student will be punished by the teacher. Do they sell watch? Ketuk the active. The passive one. Watch or where watch sold here. The street where crowd with vehicle. Ketuk the passive voice. The active pada vehicle crowded the street. Choose the correct option. Match the underlined idioms given so as to bring out the meaning. Can you get idiom and phrases mo kanya? Kumongi kasi teman local language ingat kum kini. The teacher gave the student a bird eye view of the topic. Bird eye view kumon kidega summary. After he lost his job, the whole family had to live from hand to mouth. Dulut kami jam live from hand to mouth kade basu im kordit tutang ba yo bam. They are close to starvation level kade. He was very mischievous, but now he seems to have turned over a new leaf. Come on. Hangni have on change behavior for better. Subhape je kan riang ke mobile ting bakan kam clear, but I come here ketuka quality video. Choose the correct option for the popular saying proverb. Don't bite off more than you chew. Kan eru kede ketien temen bong. Idioms. Try to do something too difficult to handle. A stitch in time save 9. To deal with any problem immediately before it become worse. As you sow, as you reap. Bet tapit not. Your action, good or bad, determine what you get. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence given below. The chairman expressed his dissent to his plan. Dissent, disagree. The dash of the window were heard rendering. The wails of the window were heard rendering. Widow, not window, the widow. Wails kamot express of widow te ka ba long press kijing susi kijing uktang kade wails. The wails express of sorrow of the widow were heard rendering. Dash is used for making black boot polish. They suit normally do deep black powder used for making boot polish. Choose the correct option for the following group of word. Today, government of the nobles. Today, aristocracy. Aristocracy the government the noble. No. The belong ki balong despa don spa. The monarchy pada government of the monarchy pada kan ru saiwan deba sensar ki siem lane ki kasiem fit to be eaten gede edible mother of a king ne ru saiwan na de regicide. Choose the correct option to complete the following sentence to replace the underlined word. The iden itu ibala underline ide iba bakla. The India aims world peace to bakla. Aims at world peace cingsha. The aim at. The on aim at kamut ka appointment direct to subject. He is at home for maths. He is on home for math and he is at home. He is by home. The he is at home in maths. The kasaiwan ma ka jing kasaiwan ka we pa jing kalish ang. He is good dash at mathematics. He is good in mathematics. He is good at mathematics. The old farmer was in the point of death. In the point. Ni mla banong old farmer in the point. On the point of death. Each sentence given below contain an idiom phrases from the given alternative. Choose the one that best express the meaning. Kini ga idiom phrases kini. He has the gift of the gap. Gift of the gap. Did he is a good conversationalist. Ni belong fluent speaking ba. Gift of the gap. The good conversationalist. Gift of the gap kamu belong penak telik ba. Once in a blue moon we meet each other. Ani kadai kam de bandong once sometimes ni. They very seldom indeed. We meet each other. Rarely, hardly meet. No? Very seldom indeed. Once in blue moon. In the end, we had to eat humble pie. In the end, we had to eat a humble pie. Today, apologize, humble. To eat a humble pie, today, apologize, humble. To apologize and accept humiliation. If you cry wolf too often, people will stop believing you. Cry wolf. Give false alarm. Cry wolf mo should talk man por mo. Give false alarm. Yeah, kana one GK section. When was Gandhi Irwin Park signed? Ni syait wan ma man por 1931. Tumangan oi pigi GK ki khamsuk kini po Meghalaya House Kolkata bani ki pion East Castle len khamta mikri bhoi district. Who has the power to declare national emergency in India? Nehru usuk ba ban declare emergency po India teda jathma ja iu the president of India. Jathma te ka financial emergency pada lada ka don ka jing long hiar pala kayo kakot akar India. Which state is leading producer of gold? Kene de Karnataka. Mak penmi ibun tam kaksiar. When is National Day observed? Kene syait one Muslim how February ar patrek February. National Science Day. Who is the first speaker of Meghalaya State Assembly? Nehru de RS Lyngdoh. In which Indian city was the first metro rail laid? Near Kolkata. Katrin yat po kendo sedang na Kolkata kede ke metro long ke metro ki yat sejrong ru tamba ha Kolkata mensua ki sedang ki yat na po kendo. Wings of Fire is autobiography of in which Indian author mo ne kene autobiography Jong U Abdul Kalam. Ni Shaiwan Bha. What is the name of international line between India and China? They McMahon Line. Who was the first female speaker of Lok Sabha? They Mira Kumari. Kentheba ningkong do balong speaker po Lok Sabha. Chakasyong ki MP ma. Who discovered the law of gravity? They Sir Isaac Newton. Who is the largest national cave in South Asia? The Krem Liat Pra. When did Meghalaya become an autonomous state within Assam? Ganesh 2 April 1970. When is International Women's Day celebrated? 8 March. Haunai March, mentabunahi. Saffron is derived from which flower? The crocus. The Right to Information Act was enacted in the year 2005. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution state equality opportunity in public employment? Baniyo kam sarkar baik mde betung baruspa mde beduk ro baniyo ka equality ka employment de article 16. Who was the India's first sport person to receive Padma Vibhushan? De Vishwanathan Anand. Ini de nongile kai chess paunam kor India. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Who was the first Indian to have won the Nobel Prize? In 1913, Nakagitanjali unu Rabindranath Tagore. What is the ratio of the width of length of Indian flag? The 2:3. 2/3. The Badminton World Federation named which Indian shooter as one of the ambassador for its I Am Badminton awareness campaign? The PV Sindhu. Brand ambassador jongka kene I Am Badminton. When was Meghalaya High Court established? The 2013 March 23rd. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. The Russian Revolution occurred in the year 1917. Kaniru ngihap krep ha mantaba jagini timama. Earth has a spherical shape. The sphere can be divided into half by line. Name that line. Kani the equator be divided kapertai. The award-winning movie Slumdog Millionaire was directed by Danny Boyle. The one kumini jengkeli te namar kani ele arjar absau Slumdog Millionaire film kelas lembah tinting laklen. The Nobel Prize winner from India in literature was the first time was Rabindranath Tagore. Hakar literature Rabindranath Tagore won arsen knaksnam. MGNREGA was a popular act in India launched in 2005. In which year did the Gulf War begin? Ani kan nilite. Mentarang don katma Gulf sitai. Hajing hani katho 1990 kadon option ni 1991 ting haptik 1991 hajing sha kade 1990 hakapor baka Iraq ka hiartma ka Kuwait tu ka jika tim pnyang. What was the first artificial satellite launch by Russia? Dayu Sputnik to satellite basnahi. Kakandai spa san punyo. Sikkim, state of India, is touched by which of the following state? Tanga West Bengal he. What is the designation of Nitin Gagari in the present central ministry, the Ministry of Road and Transport Highways? Which is the largest tea producer in the world? The China. Unong permit selesai ba babontam. Sutlej River has which dam over it? The Bhakra Dam. La Sina hapo Sutlej River. Teka Sardar Sarovar Dam hapo Narmada. Hirakud Dam po Mahanadi. The Teddy Dam po Bhagirathi River. Kani the tallest dam in India, Teddy Dam. Washing machine at home work on the principle of which progress? Today, Centrifugation. Dakanega centrifugal force is to separate substance. Takada centrifugation. Katuka ong jing sajan ma. Mesin sajan. The process by which the sun produces energy, the nuclear fusion. Ka singi penmi energy naga nuclear fusion, not nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion, nuclear fission, confuse wa. Tuka singi kade fusion, fusion. Which of the following countries produce the highest amount of rice? Hagane kade, hagane kapor kade ka China. Tamba menta arjar punreo klade ka India. A product that is associated with D-Bers kade ka company bati molonai. Ta di teman. From January 1st, 2004, which countries same-sex marriage received legal recognition? Estonia. What is the name of the first deep sea port of Bangladesh that was news today? Matarbari Port, today, first deep sea port of Bangladesh. Which country hosts the 19th summit of non-aligned movement? The Uganda. Kane kan mau bhagane non-aligned movement kade Uganda. 19th summit. In what year was the iPhone released? iPhone menolak release de hajar no. The world's first 5G network was launched by which country? South Korea. Question. The largest public undertaking in the country, the railways. What is the name of the first Indian woman? What is the name of the Indian woman who won the Man Booker Prize, the Arnold Roy, the god of small things? Which country has the most natural lake? The Canada. Which country has which is the smallest city in the world? The Vatican City. Which year did the United States of America declare independence? Kan gede badon kamhamanta barang sya dan ya her tmamne de 1776 kat news pa new punreo. In which year the UNESCO added Nokrek National Park to list welfare reserve? Kede 2010. The green color of leaf is due to the presence of the pigment called chlorophyll. Te tangkini hi. Te sumhare krep ha kidon kiba kwa banjo nya ke channel ten mas dep join sa teks nga karang duk tip.